Hi, all my brother and sister in Christ. Happy New Year! In fact, I just made a video yesterday. The prediction, my prediction for the year 2022 related with end times and the rapture and the end, what God revealed already in the dreams and vision, especially about President United States and what's coming for the midterm election in the next November 2022. Anyway, God put in my heart to post this picture in my Instagram, for my story there in Instagram about keep oil in your lamps. But it says in Matthew 25, the King is coming, related with the Happy New Year 2022. Alright. I thought before I want to post about the picture of the selfie of myself, but I decided not to do that. I think this is more important. This is the sign, the year 2022. The King is King will come. Jesus will come. Right in this year, you will find out. Because I just got the news, from somebody also in YouTube, and some people there too, I give the credit. What I heard, I'm sure many of you know about this person. Her name is Betty White. She was 99. She just almost 100 years, 18 more days after she passed. She passed away just right on New Year's Eve, December 31st. Well, I'm showing this picture. Is she a good Christian or not? Or she's just part of the Masonry, Illuminati, join with the Satanist globalists, stuff like that, all many of their celebrities, stuff like that, the singer and famous people, very rich and famous, and the other one, the world leader, all have connection with all this Freemasonry, the New World Order, stuff like that. But I'm showing you, she's showing the like two horns, the symbol of the two horns on her, with her hands. Okay, her gesture could be, but who knows? She repent before her, at the end of her lifetime, even though she's kind of like that. Anyway, my point is about the connection with her and the rapture of the church. I just find out, I think from her name is Holly Tummons. If many of you know her, her video, she posts a lot of her end time dreams and rapture. Okay, I got info from her. She remember many years ago, she heard, or herself, I'm not sure, I do not see as she said about herself. She heard from somebody else who got dreams or vision that once she died, the Betty White died, and then the rapture of the church take place very soon. And I think her fans or her follower mentioned about that. She find out his name is Gary, but his YouTube channel name is Bear049, who had their dreams. All right, once Betty White passed away, and then the rapture of the church take place. Could be the sign of for this year. I show you already about the rapture time frame, in the other video, not the last one, the last before the last, the one I posted December 27, a few days after Christmas holiday. That it's possibility the rapture this year, mentioned already to you, right? December 18 to 26, the year 2022, because it's related with Christmas holiday and Hanukkah feast. Hanukkah feast around a day, on that Christmas holiday and a day after Christmas, December 25th and 26th, other than from 18 to 26. So the date 25th and 26th, including the Hanukkah feast. The other one, the year 2024, from December 25th to January 2nd, the first day of Hanukkah, right on Christmas. I mentioned already, higher possibility the rapture year, this year 2022, 2022, or next year 2023. Alright, 2024 is kind of higher rapture alert too, but it's kind of very late, you know. Judging from that other end time dreams and vision, somebody got a dream that America already in the 7-year tribulation from the sign in the heaven in the sky. But God show us the total solar eclipse right across America. The first one already happened that last August 21st in the year 2017, and the next one April 8th the year 2024, just right at the same year in 2024. I mentioned also in my last video the year 2024 in the same year when the presidential election in US, in United States, the next one, usually around November, early November, something like that. The same year 2024, something happened in America. I think something bad happened. Country could be get destroyed or something, not destroyed completely, not quite, not until the end 7-year tribulation. That's kind of interesting with these time frames. But you see that 2022 and 2023 is about the time, according to Daniel 70 weeks Daniel prophecy, and the history when the Dome of the Rock was built in the year 688 AD, where the location for the the first temple and the second temple there in Jerusalem in Israel. Connection with that bring up the year 2023. I still not make this video about this one to clarify it, to make more to give more information. Next time I will do it. So that also for this time frame. All right, let me show you the video from I think his name. This another picture now. Yeah, his name is Gary from Bear 049. What he said about the prophecy, he got the prophecy from God related with Betty White and the rapture time frames. But I mentioned already many end times dreams and vision mention about the rapture have a connection with Christmas holiday and Hanukkah feast. But people more familiar with Christmas holiday rather than Hanukkah because majority Christians celebrate it. Of course, they're not as familiar that Hanukkah feast that Israel is celebrated, that festival of the light. Jesus is the light of the world. When first time for his first coming, okay, then around the Christmas holiday or Hanukkah feast. The reason I mention again about this because Gary also got a lot of, I think 3 or 4 dreams at least 3 dreams. The rapture time frames related with Christmas season. He did that too. He got that dream like that too. Other than many other Christian who got that dreams and vision about that time frame, all over the world and in many years. But he got that dream also about that Christmas relation. When that rapture event happened at the church, the pastor he knows, but his pastors got left behind. But at the church have the Christmas garland in that church. So the evidence that to show that during Christmas season when the rapture take place. And the other one, he got the dream, he saw ham, like Christmas holidays ham, something like that, like a Christmas party related with the rapture time frames. I don't remember the detail about that. I remember about that he said like that. Yeah. I think only his 2 dreams. I'm sorry, not 3 dreams. Talking about that Christmas rapture dreams and vision got revealed to many Christians. Among that Christian, okay, one of them is Gary. This is about what the Lord told him about the after Betty White dies, or Betty White die, and then the rapture of the church take place. All right, I'll show you. Hold on.
Some of those have happened, and some of them are going to happen. I believe the Lord told me that Betty White will die just before the rapture occurs. And he also showed me this earthquake, which I believe will also happen, a 9.0 plus in California. We can see I'm suffering from the...
All right, so you hear that, yeah? And the other one, okay, back to here. Hold on. Yeah, the picture of her again, Betty White. Okay, so you see, you hear that earlier, yeah? The video, the one I'm talking about. Once Betty White passed away, just exactly on that this New Year's Eve for the year coming, the 2022. Okay, I show you already the time frames about the 2022 and Hanukkah feast and Christmas holiday close each other. We got to watch. All right, it doesn't matter she's a true believer or Freemasonry follower. She died, and then we see that, you know, the time frame. Another one, what other than her, yeah? Queen Elizabeth from England, yeah, that queen. I mentioned also in my other videos, particularly about the prophecy about her. Once Queen Elizabeth passed away, and then the Antichrist and the false prophet in Revelation 13 will be revealed. The thing is, yeah, and I heard some people who have that prophecy about that, yeah. I know two people at least talking about the prophecy about that. When Queen Elizabeth passed away related with end times, several people what I know. So once Queen Elizabeth passed away, and then the Antichrist and the false prophet in Revelation 13 will be revealed. The Antichrist, Queen Elizabeth. Okay, what I know from one person, I'm not sure he guessing or the Lord told him. I'm not sure that part. Yeah? You do not mention clearly. Yeah? He said Queen Elizabeth will pass away at the age 95 years old. Because, you know, Queen Elizabeth age now is 95. She will turn 96 April 21st this year, 2022. She will turn 96. If she passes 95, keep in mind, these people, yeah, these elites, globalists, they will not tell us right away if she pass away. They will could wait another year or at least 6 months, because they have to wait the right time, because they have their own symbol, the numeric number for their satanic belief. These people, the satanist globalists, all right? So they will not tell people right away if it's happened that Queen Elizabeth passed away. Just saying, she already passed her birthday 96, but she's still alive. Could be she already passed away before that. We never know. The thing is about Queen Elizabeth, yeah. I like to show you the video. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, this one. Queen Elizabeth, the last time her husband passed away, I think announcement this year. I remember this year, June or something. If I'm not mistaken, I have to check again. They do not announce Prince Philip passed away right away. I suspect the month October, November, he already passed away in the year 2020. I'm thinking, sorry, not this year. This year is 2022, yeah. 2021. When they announced it, Prince Philip passed away in the year 2021. But he passed away, the real one, the real thing, I suspect around October, November in the year 2020. And then they announced it. I think sometime in June. Let me see if I can Google it, okay, to find out. Oh, sorry. How can they change ini suddenly? Sorry about that. So I have to go back there. It is a YouTube, yeah. Okay, I'll show you later, yeah, about Queen Elizabeth. Yeah, I just use the YouTube rather than CNN website. Alright, Prince Philip, he also passed away almost 100 years. Kind of like Betty White. Betty White almost 100, yeah. 3 more weeks, and after her death, she will turn 100. Okay. So about Prince Philip, yeah. But when they announced it, let me show you. Hold on. Prince Philip. Okay, not in June, sorry. So they announced it in April. So in the same month with Queen Elizabeth's birthday. Queen Elizabeth's birthday on the 21st of April. They announced it, Prince Philip, her husband, yeah, on April 9, 2021. Alright? I think he already dead. Around October or November, something like that in the year 2020. He's not dying in 2021. They just want to make they believe that particular number, their sign, okay, their symbol, satanic symbol. That's what I see. Same thing with Queen Elizabeth will come. Do I think some people believe Queen Elizabeth already dead? Even some people thought several years ago. I don't think she died several years ago. I think she's still alive. If you know this Queen Elizabeth now, you see, during that Christmas service, she lost a lot of weight. She's very, very skinny. Kind of skinny then.
In the future.
Let me see.
He was also an early champion of taking seriously our stewardship of the environment. And I am proud beyond words that his pioneering work.
If you compare Queen Elizabeth, okay, I rather not to do this, yeah. Maybe I just Google it, yeah. Queen Elizabeth in the year 2020 deh. Compare that she's lost a lot of weight, you know. You see, if you pay attention. Don't I just push it rather than start from beginning. Let's see what you see. She look not as skinny like this year. Do I think this is supposed to already dead? What I see, when I check her face, she look the same. Yeah, this satanist globalist can use a body double or mask or something like look like her, but I noticed the teeth look the same. Especially what is this? The bottom of tooth, yeah, her teeth, yeah, one of the tooth kind of like not straight, yeah. Look the same pattern, yeah. The one, this one, okay, the one in the year 2020 compared to the year 2021. The year 2021, she wore she dressed with a red dress, and the other one 2020, the year before that, purple. Yeah. She looked like she lost a lot of weight because what I heard, last October she had to stay in the hospital. They do not tell what kind of illness she had, okay, and then she not show up in the public last year after she got hospitalized that October. She not show up in the public to do her duties. Not many, very few. After that, what I see, she might ill. She's sick. Even I think around November, kind of like Memorial Day in the America, the one in UK, yeah. Remembrance Day or something like that, kind of like Memorial Day in America, to remember about the, I don't know what the name that and Remembrance Day, or yeah, I think. Hold on, let me see. The one in the UK, 2021. November 11, 2021. Yeah, they have Remembrance Day. Usually the royal family, join together. They have the ceremony. In the Remembrance Day. The memorial day for, to honor the people who died, the people who served the military at that time, who died at the World War One, to honor armed forces members who have died. Usually, royal family there and Queen Elizabeth there to join together with the ceremony. But the year 2021, that Remembrance Day, she's not there. All right, she lost. She lost some her things she have to do, something like that, several things last year. So I assume she might Queen Elizabeth. I think she not look as healthy. If you see again, the one like last year. Okay, you see, I know she's looking good then. Okay, the one I show you earlier. Okay, I don't think she look good, looking good. You see that her teeth kind of chom on. Why don't I check again the one with the blue dress? That one a year before that look the same, except she looks lost some weight. I notice that too. Maybe she's very ill. She might not she will not be live too long anymore. She could be. She will pass an accident. Maybe I'm not expecting her death. I don't know. Only God knows that. I know God's give a revelation. I know several people about her. The prophecy and related when she passed away with the end times. Okay, and closely with the rapture event too. And of course, the rapture must take place before the Antichrist and false prophet in Revelation 13 they are on the scene. They are on the public in the public. That must be in 7 years tribulation. So talking about Betty White, I know that the one I show you earlier from Gary, only one person, and maybe the other one, maybe at least couple, but the famous one more Queen Elizabeth. So we have give the connection is that Betty White already passed away. I don't think Queen Elizabeth passed away yet, not yet. But could be if she passed away, just saying, if this year, before her birthday, just saying, on April 21st, 2022, but announcement, they will let us know much later, could be a year later, could be the earlier 6 months later, like Prince Philip. I think Prince Philip died around October, November. So, they announced in April. So around 5 months later, alright? They will not announce it right away. So you have to watch, okay, connection with these people and the rapture time frames. About Betty White, we have to see. I know in the past, I know 2-3 people said, once Bill Graham, the famous preacher from United States, Bill Graham passed away, and then the rapture of the church take place. I think he passed away 4 years ago. I don't know, 4 or 5 years ago. Bill Graham, and then what happened after that? Nothing happened. The rapture not happened yet. How come? People who claim that, I don't know whether this dream real from God or not for that one. Okay, Bill Graham passed away in the year 2018. So not quite 4 years, almost 4 years ago. By February this year, 4 years, almost 4 years ago. I know Queen Elizabeth liked him and be friend with him in the past also. So he passed away in 2018. Why the rapture not take place? Some people claim that once he passed away and then the rapture take place. How about Betty White? She just passed away. Right on New Year's Eve. Will the rapture take place? I know I'm more convinced Queen Elizabeth related with the Antichrist and false prophet, because so many people have the dream about this royal family and end times. Many of those. Many that other thing. The one seem look like after Queen Elizabeth passed away, Prince Charles and Camilla, Prince Charles will become a king, but will not be long, a very short time. And then Prince William also the king of New World Order, because one the end time dreams mention about King William, then he become a king during 7 years tribulation. He have to deal a lot with the Antichrist. He have to work for the Antichrist. He have to have the meeting every day. He complained to the Antichrist, why have the meeting with you? Something like that, one dream. Yeah. Kind of interesting. But many prophecy and dreams said Queen Elizabeth will die very soon. That's what I heard. Alright, this is very interesting. I told you that rapture time frames we keep to watch this year, next year. I don't think until we have to wait until 2024. I explained you already before, why the reason. Even though in the year 2024, that the first day of Hanukkah, right on Christmas holiday. Alright, this is very interesting time we have to watch. Other than what happening in this all around the world, not any better. The year 2022. Things is now do better, because the reason this happened before the rapture, God wants the church to wake up, the sleeping church, because many churches don't believe we are living in the end times. They don't pay attention. They don't believe it. They do not want to meet with the Lord. They don't care. They more pay attention to the world. Do not be lukewarm Christian. If you lukewarm, carnal Christian or backsliding Christians keep sinning against God through Jesus Christ, He will spit out you from His mouth. He will make you be left behind from the rapture. Okay? Sadly, more than 90% more likely, the church will be left behind. Many Christians will be left behind. Do not be the one of those. So, you not regret it. Alright? Thanks for listening.